Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back. Today I want to talk to you about a brand new crochet pattern that is going to be a mystery. I will let you know it's going to be a bag pattern, but if you'd like to join me in the month of September, we're going to do a mystery crochet along for a really cool crochet bag pattern that has a bit of a twist, and all you have to do is follow the link in the video description to download the pattern. So right now you'll get the first page, which will tell you what kind of yarn I used, what type of crochet hook I used, and the gauge that I got, and the finished size of the project. Then in the coming weeks, as I release new sections of the pattern with charts, written instructions, and supplemental video tutorials, you'll just want to go back to your account. Hey there, baby Bjorn, you gonna join us too? Yeah, I bet he is. You'll just want to go to your account and download the new update of the pattern each week. If you have any questions, always feel welcome to leave them for me here in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I hope to see you in the Mystery Crochet Along. You too? Yeah, you'll be there too.